The Ainu people. The Ainu people actually are an ethnic group of people from Japan. This group of people have some specific characteristics and lifestyles, food habits, dresses that they maintain in their life. Today, we shall know about this group of people, the Ainu people. Those who are new to our channel, we are requesting them to subscribe this channel to get this type of information and this type of facts for English knowledge and general knowledge. Now let's start. The Ainu or the Ainu, also known as the Izo in historical Japanese texts, are an East Asian ethnic group indigenous to Japan, the original inhabitants of Hokkaido and nearby Russia. Actually, this group of people, the Ainu, this group of people is an ethnic group of people. Ethnic group means a group of people who maintains the same lifestyle and the same culture, belief, values, etc. And they are indigenous group in Japan. They are the actual inhabitants near Hokkaido and nearby Russia. Hokkaido in Japan, and they are from the place nearby Russia. Official estimates place the total Ainu population of Japan 25,000. Unofficial estimates show that there is a total population of about 2 lakhs in Japanese society from their ancestry. Actually, official record shows that there are near about 25,000 Ainu people in Japan, but unofficially, it has been known that there are near about 2 lakhs people, Ainu people in Japanese society, and they come from their ancestry. Ancestry means from the ancient time. From the ancestry means they are from their origin. They are the old people. This means they come from their ancestry. Traditional Ainu culture was quite different from Japanese culture. Actually, Ainu's culture was different from Japanese culture. It is their culture never shaving after a certain age. The men had full beards and mustaches. Men, actually, after a certain age, the main people in Ainu group did not cut their beards and mustache, and this was their culture. Men and women alike cut their hair level with the shoulders at the sides of the head, trimmed semicircularly behind. Men and women, both men and women in Ainu group, they cut their hair semicircular basis. Semicircularly means this type of image. This is the semicircular form. In this way, both men and women cut their hair, and this is their hairstyle. In this image, we can see some people from any group, both, and they are both men and women. In the past, the women tattooed their mouths and sometimes their forearms. The women made tattoo in their mouths and also in their forearms. In the past, the mouth tattoos were started at a young age with a small spot on the upper lip, gradually increasing with size. The soot deposited on a pot hung over a fire of birch bark was used for color. Actually, they used color on their hairs, on their mustache, beards, etc. And they were made from a soot. Soot means a black powder. This is called a soot. And this soot was made from the fire of the birch bark. And thus they used the color from the soot. A pot was hung over a fire, and thus the color was accumulated on the pot, and then they collected that color, actually the soot, and thus they made the color. The traditional dress was a robe spun from the inner bark of the elm tree called atushi or atush. Actually, the traditional dress of the Ainu people was a robe. Robe means a long cloth. This type of cloth they wore, and that was spun from the inner bark of the elm tree, and that dress was called atushi. This is the actually image of an elm tree. From this bark, the dress of the Ainu people were made. and that was called Atushi or Atush. The group of Ainu people have been modern now, and the modern craftswomen who are skilled in craft now weave and embroider traditional garments that command very high prices. Now they have been modern and they make their traditional garments, and they are sold at a very high price. In winter, the skins of animals were worn with leggings of deerskin. Boots were made from the skin of dogs or salmon. In the winter, the group of people, this means the Ainu people, wore the skins of animals. Actually, leggings were made from the deer skin. Leggings means a very tight trousers. Okay, so leggings are made from deer skin of deer, and boots are made from the skin of dogs or salmon. Salmon is a type of fish. So boots were made from the animal dog or salmon fish, and they wore this type of dresses in the past. Ainu culture considers earrings traditionally made from the grapevines to be gender neutral. Now the Ainu people wear the earrings, okay, and those earrings are made from the grapevines. Grapevine means a type of climbing plant on which grapes grow. Grape plants, okay. So the earrings are made from grape plants, and they wear now this type of earrings, and this is irrespective of the men and women. Actually, these earrings are gender neutral. Gender neutral means this is irrespective of men and women. Both men and women wear these earrings, and this is called gender neutral. Women also wear a beaded necklace called tamashe. Women wear the necklace, and this is made from beads. The necklace is decorated with beads, and this necklace is specifically called tamashe. Their traditional cuisine consists of the flesh of bear, fox, wolf, badger, ox or horse, as well as fish, fowl, millet, vegetables, herbs, and roots. Now, the Ainu people have all these things as their food. Here, the cuisine means a style of cooking. Actually, these things they cook and they eat. Flesh of bear, fox, wolves, badger. Badger means a small animal. Badger, horse, fish, herbs and roots. Vegetables, they also take vegetables, millets, and such others. They take all this as their food. Here is an image of the fish that Ainu people have as their food. The Ainu people never eat raw fish or flesh, and it is always boiled or roasted. Now, at present, the Ainu people never eat any raw fish or flesh, and when they eat the food are always boiled or roasted. So, this was the lifestyle, food, and dresses of Ainu people, and also all these were the culture of the Ainu people. If this video is interesting to you, then please give a like for this video and share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you. We are meeting in the next video.